The new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra may look like an incremental update at first glance, but the latest hands-on impressions reveal a device that quietly fixes many small issues while adding meaningful upgrades where they actually matter. Instead of reinventing the formula, Samsung has focused on refining a design that already works well, and the result is surprisingly impressive. This flagship clearly targets users who are still holding onto older Galaxy models. While owners of last year's phone may see modest changes, anyone coming from a 2- or 3-year-old flagship will notice a big difference in performance, privacy, and overall polish. One of the biggest talking points this year is the brand new privacy display feature. It might not have the flashiest name, but it could become one of the most useful additions to any modern smartphone. Privacy display is easily one of the most interesting upgrades on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Many users are familiar with physical privacy screen protectors that darken the display when viewed from the side. Those accessories usually hurt image quality and make the screen harder to see even for the owner. Samsung has taken a smarter approach by building privacy protection directly into the display at the pixel level. This makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra the first phone to offer a fully integrated solution instead of relying on external accessories. What makes this feature special is how customizable it is. Instead of forcing privacy mode to run all the time, users can choose exactly when it activates. For example, privacy display can automatically turn on while using banking apps, note-taking apps, or any other sensitive application. This means everyday activities like watching videos or browsing social media remain unaffected. The system also allows selective protection. Users can choose to hide only incoming notifications, black out the entire screen from side angles, or activate privacy mode while entering a PIN or password. This level of control makes the feature far more practical than traditional privacy protectors. There are 2 privacy levels available. The default setting keeps the display looking normal when viewed straight on, while quickly darkening the screen at wider angles. During early testing, image quality from the front remains strong, which is good news for daily use. The maximum privacy mode goes even further. At this level, screen content becomes almost completely invisible from even slight side angles. The trade-off is a small drop in contrast and overall image quality. However, since the feature can be limited to specific apps, users can enjoy full privacy where it matters most without sacrificing visual quality everywhere else. Beyond the display improvements, Samsung has also refined the physical design. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is now noticeably slimmer, and that small change makes a surprisingly big difference in how the phone feels. The thickness has been reduced from 8.2 mm on the previous model to just 7.9 mm. While the numbers may sound minor on paper, the slimmer profile makes the large phone feel more comfortable in the hand. Weight has also dropped slightly from 218 grams to 214 grams, further improving the in-hand experience. The Ultra series has always been known for its large size, so any reduction in bulk is welcome. The new design feels more refined and modern while still maintaining the premium look that the Ultra lineup is known for. Battery capacity remains unchanged at 5,000 mAh, which may initially sound disappointing. However, Samsung has avoided any battery compromises despite making the device thinner. That alone is a positive move. The real upgrade comes in charging speed. Wired charging has finally jumped from 45 watt to 65 watt. This is a significant improvement that should noticeably reduce charging times in everyday use. Faster charging has been one of the most requested upgrades, so this change is likely to please many users. Although full battery testing is still underway, expectations are optimistic. The combination of a new chipset and improved thermal management should help the phone at least match the battery life of its predecessor, if not slightly improve it. Performance is another area where the Galaxy S26 Ultra aims to stay ahead. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, a chip designed to deliver faster speeds and better efficiency. Early impressions suggest smooth performance across the board, whether handling heavy multitasking, gaming, or AI features. Speaking of AI, Samsung continues to expand its Galaxy AI ecosystem. New generative photo tools and smarter on-device features are part of the package, further strengthening the phone's position as a premium Android powerhouse. Camera improvements are also part of this year's upgrade cycle. The main camera benefits from a wider aperture and updated image processing, which should lead to better low-light performance and improved overall image quality. Early samples already show promising results, though full testing will provide a clearer picture. Another visual change is the updated camera bump design. Inspired by the styling seen on the S25 Edge, it gives the rear panel a slightly fresher look while keeping the familiar Ultra identity intact. Despite strong competition from brands like Xiaomi and Vivo, the Galaxy S26 Ultra still aims to sit at the top of the Android flagship market. Samsung's strength continues to be its balanced combination of hardware, software support, AI features, and global availability. The phone is currently available for pre-order and is set to officially launch on March 11, with the 256GB model priced at $1,300. While the price remains firmly in premium territory, the collection of refinements and smart upgrades helps justify the cost for users planning to upgrade from older devices. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may not be a revolutionary leap, but it is a carefully polished flagship that improves the experience in meaningful ways. From the innovative privacy display to faster charging and a slimmer body, Samsung has focused on practical upgrades that users will actually notice. For those waiting for a major reason to upgrade, this device might finally deliver enough improvements to make the jump worthwhile. For more latest leaks, hands-on reviews, and upcoming smartphone news, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so nothing important gets missed.